Hello, good day to Dr. Hanita and my fellow friends. I'm Chong. Today I'm going to talk about the analysis of compassion and wellness webinar on the Facebook page based on the information foraging theory. So let's moving on. So first of all, what is information foraging theory? So basically, this theory was developed by Piroli and Card in 1999. So the information foraging theory asserts that people look for information on the web, and it's worked at the same way in which animals forage for food in the wild. So for example, for the prey and predator, they were deciding where and what to hunt depends on how easy the predator can get the prey and how much energy the prey will provide. So in the similar context that we found human, which when people land on a page or a website, they are usually hungry for the information need or a goal. So they are going to decide whether they to stay on the page or they will lead it to go to other place to seek for the information. So since there are billions of information spreading on Facebook, and it is important to know how we can know people foraging behavior and what kind of content we should provide. And here are the analogy with animal foraging behavior with the information foraging. So basically there are 5 aspects that animal and also the information foraging. So basically there are goal, page, forage, scene, and also the diet. So for the goal, so we usually look for information, and the information are from the website, and also how we forage is we search for the information. So here is the framework for the information foraging theory. As we can see, there's a lot of page that we can decide where we want to get the information, and also usually people will focus on the rate of gain, which they will focus on the information value, and also they want to maximize the value they can get and also minimize the time and effort they spend to get the certain information. So besides of information, actually people are forage for other type of content as well. So it can be video, audio, image, text, and so on. It can be a lot. So as you can see, the content that we have posted are all relevant to the webinar from the video. And next, we are going to look at the analysis of each posting. So for the webinar main posting, as you can see, all the relevant information such as like the introduction of the webinar, the date, the time, and how to register to the webinar are all included inside the post. And most importantly, we have used the hashtag including like some keywords, pandemic, webinar loneliness, isolation, and so on. So when people search for the keywords, so there's a possibility that our content will be shown to them. So followed by the main posting, in order to ensure the richness of information on our page, so it is important to keep updating new posting to make people feel our page are worth to stay and when they forage for the information. So as you can see, we have included the background of the speakers when if they are interested to look for, and also the topic they are going to talk about. So of course we have included the hashtag as well. And also the same it works on the countdown poster with the hashtag. It seems like repetitive, but it actually can help to target audience to expose to our content. So moving to the engagement results with the audience, and the engagement result is considered quite high and good enough because we are able to reach around 1,800 people for the main posting, and also for the speaker ones there's around 400 people that we have reached. And for the countdown poster, there are similar statistics, which is around 300 and 400 and nearly 500 for the people we have reached. So the most impressive result show is the live session, where we exceeded more than 2,000 views in for the first session, and also around 800 people that have reached in the second day. So it's considered a lot. Also, for the engagement result with the audience about the total like of the page, so the people who like our page and following us have around 300. So it means that people find our information is needed when they forage for the similar information. So to conclude, it is extremely important to ensure the relevant and sufficient information provided, because usually a user, they always tend to maximize the information they can get, but at the same time they want to minimize the effort and also the time they will spend to sorting for the information. So they tend to estimate the enrichment of the information they can get from a certain page. And it is crucial for us to always improve the interface of the page and also keep updated to make sure relevant information is ready to search. So that's all from me. Thank you.